Good morning. I greet every one of you. Let us do trigonometry. Let us do trigonometry. Let's continue with trigonometry. I hope whatever that I'm writing here is visible. So we are busy with trigonometry. We are going to do trigonometry. Hopefully whatever we're writing is visible. Right, this is 3.1. Solve for alpha. For alpha, if 2 sine alpha multiplied by 10 alpha minus 10 alpha plus 2 sine alpha is equals to 1. I hope it's visible. If not, we can bring this one close so that each and every one of you can be able to see. And then we are given the condition for alpha is between minus 90 degrees and 90 degrees. And we are also told that the value of solving that problem is 6 marks. So in a scenario like this, we check and find out that in the first two terms, there is something common which is called 10x. 10 alpha. 10 alpha. Remove 10 alpha as the common factor. You have 2 sine alpha, and then you have minus 1. As you carry on, you will bring 1 from that side to this side to have plus 2 sine alpha minus 1. Then you equate the rest to 0. As you can see, we have 2 sine alpha minus 1, which is common from this side and that side. It is common, so 2 sine alpha minus 1, it is common in this problem here. So remove 2 sine alpha as a common factor. 2 sine alpha minus 1 is common, and this side you have 10 alpha, and then you have plus 1. Okay, it's equals to 0. That's it. Then you carry on, you don't end it there. Here, as you are solving, you find sine alpha is equals to 1 over 2. This side here, you find 10 alpha is equals to minus 1. And then each and every one of you must have their calculators very close to them, because we really need to apply a calculator and find out. Now, because we are solving for alpha here, we are solving for alpha. Let's do this so that you can see whatever that I'm doing here. Because we are solving for, find a reference angle. Let's call a reference angle beta. Okay, the reference angle is beta. second function half is equals to how much? With your calculator, you say shift, and then you go to sine, it says 0,5. And then it gives you the angle of beta of 30 degrees. That is reference angle beta. When you move from reference angle beta, you go to, you can call this beta 1. Let's call this beta 2. Beta 2 is second function tan of minus 1 second function tan of 1 gives you 45 degrees. So second function tan 1 gives you 45 degrees. And you are going to look for alpha in a quadrant where sine is positive. Look here, this one is a positive value. Sine alpha is equal to 1 over 2. In the forefront of 1 over 2, the sign here is positive. So we are going to look for alpha in the quadrant where sine is positive. So sine is positive. Sine is positive. Remember, they say alpha is between minus 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So we know that 90 degrees and minus 90 degrees, that is between 90 and 270. So in the second quadrant, we have sine, we have alpha, let's call it alpha 1, is equals to your 180 degrees minus your reference angle. This time around, your reference angle is beta 1. So 180 degrees minus 30. So in that second quadrant, you have 150 degrees. Okay, now you got alpha 1. You need alpha 2. Alpha 2. This is, you can see here, tan alpha is equals to minus 1. Look for the values of alpha where tan is only negative. So within these two parameters here, between 90 and minus 90, in the third quadrant, the tan is positive, so it can only be positive and negative in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, we have a condition whereby we have alpha is equals to 180 degrees minus beta 2. Therefore, this is 180 degrees minus 45. So you will end up having 135 degrees. 135 degrees. There it is. So it's for 6 marks. It is done. For 6 marks, it is done. If you have any question on that one, you can see on my screen everything. It is done proper. So you can comment on under the comments in that section, and just follow us and like, and then all is well with you.